Hello viewers, welcome again my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your lives. So dear viewers, today in this video you can see very eye-catching and very charming long hair style and long haircut ideas. So dear viewers, first of all subscribe my channel and I suggested you to watch my video till end because this video is full of very charming and very stylish long haircut ideas and long layered hairs with bangs. So guys, this is a very unique and very stylish video. So subscribe my channel and share my video if you like it to your friends and family members. So dear viewers, also press the bell icon button because by doing this you can get my updated and upcoming videos about haircut and hair ideas. You can get timely. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing my channel. So guys, you can see all the designs in this video are very stylish and all type of personality can get these ideas from this video. So guys, this video is especially for those women and gorgeous ladies who are long hair lover. By this video you can get very trendy ideas about hairstyle, haircut, long, short and medium hair length. So dear viewers, if you are thinking about going to any occasions, any ceremony, wedding ceremony and casual party and also office going women, then all ladies have unique ideas according to their personalities. So dear viewers, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. By your comments show you love for me. Dear viewers, I always try my best to show you very beautiful, trendy and updated content and useful and stylish ideas about fashion trends according to their desires. So dear viewers, if you like my video, please thumbs up for me and my video and tell me about this video. So guys, keep it up, keep watching and stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Take care.